I can't wait because it's purple, my favorite color. Let's get into melting this bad boy right away. Okay, if you're watching my last video, then you watched me clean this out. I'm just gonna fill it up. Guys, look how beautiful, guys. Melting point is on point. Look at that. Let's see what we get. And you always should dig the beads in from the sides. That's where the wax is the warmest. Just like that. Just like that. Alright guys, so this is the wax here. We're doing a quick little underarm wax. Y'all look at that. That bitch sexy. I'm about to marry this underarm, baby. And I'm not even gonna cut the video off. I want to see the dry time, baby. Let's see the dry time together. So I like to wipe the excess amount of wax on my glove. Tap, tap, tap. Ooh, that bitch feel like it's ready already. Hold this skin top. Beautiful.